Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Cenars. Today we have the FlowMotion ONE. I don't know if you guys have been on Instagram, but I saw it a lot on my feed. I saw it on my Facebook feed. And so earlier this year, I got the OSMO Mobile II, and that was great. So we're gonna test this out. So I initially ordered this before the OSMO Mobile back in November 2017. And it took over a year before I got it. So I'm actually really excited. I want to see how it feels and compares to the OSMO Mobile, but that'll be a different video. So for this video, we're just gonna unbox it and then just the aesthetics and look. And then eventually I'll go ahead and do another video where we test out the performance of it and probably compare it to the OSMO Mobile II. Alright, so we have the box in front of us. It actually came with a safety data sheet report on its lithium battery. And then first impressions on this, pretty standard. You can see FlowMotion on the side there, better here. It's wrapped well, looks like it's well protected. And so we'll just use our handy dandy knife and we'll unbox it. Alright, so you take that out. A million thanks from the FlowMotion team. That's nice, it's cute. Ooh, alright. So that's the very first thing you see when you unbox it. This bad boy out. So I got an additional battery case with it. So, because that was one of the things that I noticed with the OSMO Mobile II, is that yeah, I could film for a couple hours, but then after that I'd have to charge it again. So having a backup battery pack, pretty clutch. Very clean. Take a chance to look at that. All right. Just like that. Wow. This is a much better case than what came with the OSMO Mobile II. So right there, already got to give them props for that. But it's also slightly more expensive, so I'm glad that they at least give you a nicer case with it. Woo! All right, you know, this actually looks a lot better than what I've seen from just watching it on videos. So it looks better. Ooh, that's something that I hadn't noticed before. The back right there. That feels really nice to hold and grip onto. So right there, that's already a plus. That's already a bonus. Okay, what does it come with here? So it comes with a charger. All right. Looks like a normal micro. Oh, hold on. So guys, this is actually the first time I've ever seen a USB-C that comes with anything that I've bought. But apparently a micro USB-C has faster charging capabilities, so I'll be able to charge this bad boy up real quick. So that's awesome there. Here it comes with a mount thread. From my understanding, you have to just twist this off, right? Just plug this in, I think that way. So then you could just use a mount to mount this onto, and then you can do whatever you want with it. So unfortunately, this doesn't come with it. The OSMO Mobile II that I'm actually currently filming right now is on a mount. So that's one of the pros, I think, with the OSMO Mobile compared to this. But again, we'll do a comparison later. Something that I've missed here was inside the very bottom. So FlowMotion, this looks like just the manual, and it is a manual. Right. So note, guys, so in regards to the battery time, so charging time takes about 3 hours, and then battery time under normal usage should last about 4.5 hours. Ideal conditions, 10 hours. So that's pretty lengthy. All right, so that's cool. Let's look at this. So again, the rechargeable battery. 2 hours later. Oh fuck, it really smells like a battery. Okay. This bad boy is gonna go in here. Boom. So guys, that concludes the unboxing.